Decent.
We are currently at Fresh Fitment Garage. I'm here with my mate. He's painting the Calibre S13 blue.
Oh,
He loves it so much. He's wearing, oh, you can't really see it, but he's wearing the same colour shirt. Oh, dang, look at that finish.
Wait.
Oh, I'm so jealous. Pretty fucking good for amateurs. This is just an S13 that picked up recently. A few nicks here and there. But you know, it's pretty typical for a JDM car these days. It's currently non-turbo, auto. But the auto part's already gone and the engine's already gone, so it's gonna be a manual swap. Turbo probably down the track. Maybe a 5-star conversion.
Yes, sir.
So here's an S15, which we're going to take off, 5-star, and chuck it on this one, and turn it out to 4-star. Dang. Or maybe we should leave it 4-star and run this old school rims.
Yeah, 130s.
Yeah. That would be sick. Plus it'll be cheaper, they're pretty common.
Yeah.
But then 5-star's like...
No, I seen 5-star conversion whole kit for $500.
How much?
500.
You're laughing. I thought it'd be like 1K plus. Oh, really?
Yeah, brand new. eBay. So the cheapest. I should get it one.
And that's it. Hopefully more videos to come.